Grow your dream garden on a budget. Ready to start gardening without breaking the bank? We're diving into an affordable and versatile solution for beginner gardeners, urban farmers, and home gardeners alike. These LandGuard 5-gallon fabric grow bags come in a 4-pack and are made from thickened, non-woven material. They offer a cost-effective way to grow vegetables and plants, especially if you're short on space. You can find them on Amazon. The LandGuard grow bags are crafted with high-strength weaving technology. This makes them lightweight yet capable of bearing a significant amount of weight. They are black, round, and suitable for outdoor use. These bags provide excellent drainage, preventing overwatering and promoting healthier root growth. The breathable fabric allows your plants to breathe, leading to more vigorous growth. These grow bags feature heavy-duty handles, making them easy to move around your garden or patio. The non-woven material is space-efficient and provides thermal insulation, protecting roots during transportation and storage. The bags prevent root circling, which is a common problem in traditional plastic pots. This ensures your plants develop a healthier root system, leading to better overall growth. With a 4.3-star rating from over 350 reviews, these grow bags are a popular choice. Many users praise their sturdiness and value for money. One reviewer mentioned their plants are thriving in these bags due to the breathable fabric. However, some users have noted that the bags may not be a true 5-gallon size. Others have commented on the thinness of the material. It's important to consider these points when making your decision. These grow bags are perfect for container gardening, whether you're growing tomatoes, peppers, or herbs. At a price of just $7.99, they offer an affordable way to expand your gardening efforts. LandGuard also offers these bags in various sizes from 10 to 30 gallons, available on their Amazon store. This allows you to choose the perfect size for your specific gardening needs. Ready to take your gardening to the next level without spending a fortune? Check out the LandGuard 5-gallon fabric grow bags on Amazon today. Don't forget to explore the different sizes available to find the perfect fit for your plants. Happy gardening! Subscribe